Okay, people, remember last week, we did a live video on vulavula commit suicide. In the live video, they will concur with me or to agree with me. In the live video, they will commit suicide. Because home is because one button judge about depression, what. So now that incident that happened yesterday, but the screenshots. I think I still remember exactly what I wrote. It's illustrating a man who commits suicide is selfish and a coward. And I still stick. Reason being, imagine anongena kwa laka Facebook nisungula no hayi loko munhu akarhele vutomi atidlayi mingena kwala no hayi loko munhu akarhele atidlayi. Just imagine. So if somebody is attempting to commit suicide or something, and one addiction, I don't want to commit suicide. I know for what you did is right. Imagine if I have to go around in Jalaban Kurai, the Munakarele, at the Sungi, at the Chilili, the police. Just imagine if I was like that, there was no way people I was gonna say to people they must kill themselves or do some stupid things. I was so disappointed. There's a very close friend of mine. He also attempted to do such kind of things. And your explorer will do the rest. You attempted in my police. So, what you are doing is very wrong. People, no matter what we can be going through, depression or no depression, let's not kill ourselves, please. I've known Maraji from Karole. She was dating my sister, Shakali. I've known him, so I just leave the course. I'm going but blah blah listen to social media. And I will not strong what is the course? Blah blah based on what I've heard like social media or what I've seen like social media. So people. And then Herald the look kuna maka inkosiwa diamond yijeli ni mitsika kufela anzi when I ngana something you suspect of so ngaba person voice out when I don't know the cause. If I heard something anta blah blah khala mina ni mashifuva tabur khale ni mesele khale now I'm so disappointed in my machangani. Majority, I'm not saying all, but majority. I can create a fan in just to create fun for the likes of Facebook. So, people, I'm one strong man. But I'm not happy the way you're running social media. Especially Sosua in Gome, it's not good. That's why what I'm blog. Okay, people, I'm big one cozy, but I wanted to clear the Makatagore, Makalenga vulavula, commit suicide and all that. Nibu real and an Asuna, a man who commits suicide is a coward. That's being selfish. Irrespective of depression or whatever that you're going through, I still say it. Nasty kaka martia mina. Mahabula shona shishwa anchi akuchinchanga nchumu. Akuchinchanga nchumu. Rifu retwini, may his soul rest in peace. No, we're all going to die, people. No one is special here. Mufuna nchumu ngofu kuba kulishingana mara mufuna nchumu ngofu nkweni yakufenda ambe mu create fana like social media from doesn't matter. Even if you hate someone, mara you don't wish death on another human being. You can hate somebody mara don't ever wish death munhu mwanyana shinari swisweswo hinkwaswo swi na vuloyi a ku va jealous kumbe swin'wanyana ku va vuloyi swesweswo vuloyi. So ni nga ni misquote people, ni nga ni misquote ni vula leswi ni nga vula swona na stika ka sweswi nga vula swona. Ni nga ni misquote, I know ni nga ni misquote a no lava ni ka clarity ka sweswo na sweswi na stika ka sweswi ni nga swi vula last week. Na vula leswi I still emphasize a man who commits suicide is selfish and a coward at the same time. Leswi vula kuswona sweswo I'm cincanga nchumu leswi mi ya ku ni quote mi ni yisa laha mi ni yisa kona mi endla ti-TikTok hi mina. I don't give a flying fuck. Ni ta va ni vulavula leswi I stand for the truth. Ni vulavula leswi ni vulaka swona, ni swi vulanga namuntlha, ni swi vulanga tolo. I've said it several times and a ni nge cinci leswi ni nga swi vulavula simply because ni lava ku accommodate vanhu. Loko ku ri na loyi a twisaka ku ri maybe leswi ni nga swi vulavula swi n'wi khomi kahle, you can go to hell. You can just go to hell. It's easy as like that. If you feel like maybe maybe I'm talking nonsense, go to hell, to the nearest hell anyway. And there is nothing that you can do. There is absolutely nothing you can do. So I'm gonna problem people in the skura kahle. Kuna group inga create ya kuchela timali ala nanda share link ya kona ka Facebook mesa kula kumsongo mkota ko ya aba and van'wana va ta twisa ku ri maybe group ya ti-condolences swa humelela sweswo anyway kwala misaveni. So wa ya chela loko ri na mbilu ya kahle, ri na mbilu ya ku twela vusiwana or a va te hava na mali ya nkosi sweswi mi ta ku hava va humeseriwe mali mhaka na mali ya nkosi no ku ti twela ka munhu rest in peace swimani. So ta share link liya mi ya cheletela mali ya koko kwala mi cheletela mali ya koko kuna list leyi nga ku fambeni kahle swinene. So a endleni tano swi tele leswi hi nga ta swi vulavula after. Well, it's too soon, but there is a lot of things that we're going to talk very soon. Maybe after funeral and all that. I may look at that talk the funeral arrangement from something. But one more time, we tell me, it's a marivonia. Moneri Caserivonia, it's a marivonia. I'm about to say, I'm going to Tambera like a Facebook. It's a marivonia. Yala nga tsala swo famba vutsayi kwala nga tsala swo va rivoni ntshama tsala va rivoni yala tala mita ni lavusa ngopfu ntshame ni vulavula va rivoni yala ta vutshamelo swa va rivoni mucimba wa rivoni future. Save the day whenever Princess Georgian Herald lights camera action without the king wanting favorite Patrick starts his early tech show. Milango comment like likes la. Supersize adventures for days. All right here on DSTV. Come visit the magical town. Try on some fancy looks at the Grand Useless.